this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Wednesday the 3rd of October. And today we had a small gap up in the markets, only to close the gap and run a little lower, find a bottom around 10 o'clock, and begin buying up from there. Today we had 3 trades. We were working inside of a maximum profit potential of 4 3/4 points or 59 ticks. Actual entries and exits, we made 28 points or 112 ticks. Definitely very, very good on the day. We watched the markets open, and then we took a short fairly quickly over here, and we were able to write it down for most of the move. And then we watched market chop around a little bit and got long over here, and we were able to write that up quite a bit. And we got short somewhere in here, and we were able to write that down a little bit, taking profit in this region here. So, and then we just watched the markets buy up after that. So definitely not too bad at all. 3 trades, 28 points. Definitely very, very good, especially for only 2.5 hours. If you want to round down, let's say 20 points at $50 a point, you're looking at $1,000 within 2.5 hours. So very, very good on the day. Very happy with everything. And with that, I would like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out our website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we focus on the ES markets, the S&P Futures. It's my favorite market to trade, and I trade it, well, not mainly as, but I trade it as a day trading instrument. It's my source of income. I come in, I trade the market, and I'm always flat at the end of the day. I do sprinkle in option trades here and there just so we can participate on overnight moves or longer term moves. If you see the market, you think it's going to be at a certain area in a couple months, well, then day trading, you're going to be long, you're going to be short. So having that extra instrument to be able to trade definitely makes it a lot better, and it adds to our profits. So that's really all that matters. You want to be able to add to your profits and make as much money as you can, but maintaining that conservative and non-ego driven mindset. So that's what trading's basically about in a nutshell. Definitely easier said than done. I know it's taken me a while to get to be at the level that I'm at right now. I would say it was a fairly fun journey, but especially if you're just starting out learning how to trade, there were times where trading seemed so difficult to me I wanted to give up. Like right when I first began trading, it's easy for a little while, and then you realize that, hey, there's a lot of stuff that I don't really know. And that's when you've probably blown up a couple accounts before that realization. And even after you get that realization, that's when you really start getting overwhelmed. And if you don't love trading, if you don't have a passion for it, you're not going to be able to break through those hurdles. And that's why I always say, I have a passion for trading. I love it. Being able to get up every morning and doing it is great. But if you're doing it just for the money, and some people's money motivation is that strong where nothing will stand in their way. But other people, their motivation for money is not that strong, so you need something else to motivate you. And that's why I have my coaching program, my trading course, and different stuff like that. Because some people need extra, some people don't. So it's really depends on the individual, and that's one of the differences in trading as opposed to other careers. Other careers, you don't need that extra motivation, and it's not as psychologically draining as trading is. So that's a little bit about that. With that, I'd like to encourage everybody, if you enjoyed this video, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely would appreciate all the support. Everyone have a great day, and I'll see you in the markets. Thanks.